We're leaving in 5 days. 5 days. We're going to go RVing again. I can't wait. Till further notice, we are on a mission to explore, create, and we hope to inspire you to try new things too. It's been a long time coming. The house isn't done. The doctor's appointments aren't done. But we're gonna put everything on hold and we're gonna go RVing for a couple of months. But it's so weird going from full-time RVing to part-time and trying to figure out what do we need. We're gonna have so much space now that we aren't living in it.
Time to get busy.
This is my lawn mowing shirt, aka alone time shirt.
Tammy bought me this shirt for my birthday. She designed that shirt for my birthday. Yep, just pop on the headphones, listen to a little reggae. Can you hear me okay?
This guy loves mowing the lawn. I've even offered to do it and he tells me no. But we're gonna get this mowed down real short right out in front of the house, which he just did like 2 days ago. And then we're gonna pull the RV on out here so it's easier to load up. And then we're going to start packing her up. You worried about getting left behind, Gracie? We've gotta load Gracie up in the truck because she'll think we're going RVing right now without her, but we're just moving it, so. She's on high alert. She knows things are happening around here.
Check out the new tires. We put steering tires on, which we've never had before. We've always used drive tires on the front, and they just get chewed up on this 450. So I'm hoping these steering tires are gonna be really straight arrow down the highway. The good Toyos are on the back, so we're gonna have good traction back there.
We're gonna go put the slides in, and then we're just gonna pull it around to the front of the house. So we get a little practice mini tow in before our big trip. Gracie's ready to go. All right, now we gotta unplug and hitch her up.
Put that little handle there so you can do that, and I have no idea. You gotta be Hercules to be able to do that.
Good girl. You ride with Daddy. Never know what you're gonna find in Florida. There's a cute little toad just hiding under the truck. All right, buddy. Don't hop in the way and get run over. I might have to find him a new home so he doesn't get squished. Hold on, I'm gonna move the hitch up a little bit. To the right, 1/2 inch. Okay. You're on.
Why does it seem that it's getting harder to hitch up these days?
I'm a little out of practice. I'm looking at it backwards. I'm looking at the hitch, not the receiver, so I'm telling him the opposite direction. Anyway, I'll get better at it again. It's been a while.
A lot of people just use cotter pins, and I prefer a padlock for 2 reasons. Because I know that nobody's gonna mess with it and open that baby up as a little practical joke. Also, I know that it's gonna stay in place. Pool noodles. They're cheap and you can get them at any Walmart. And I just put a slit down the middle and slide it up there, and that keeps me from bonking my head. Did you just bring a coat out?
Well, I am hoping we're going to cooler climates. It will be fall in Colorado. Here we go. First stop, Georgia. Goodbye, Auntie. Aunt Charlene's staying at our house while we're gone.
Brake check is good. Need to remember that the bad things always happen in the first mile.
Feels like we're starting all over again, like when we first went RVing.
No, I think it's all going to come back to us right away. Just need a few miles under our belt. Georgia.
This is what we call a fully washer.
We were going to skip Buc-ee's, but my watch just told me that it's time to stand. So we got off and we're going to Buc-ee's. Gonna get fuel. Tammy will run inside and probably grab us some brisket sandwiches for tomorrow.
God, I love Buc-ee's. I'm gonna get some beef jerky for the road. I wasn't expecting Halloween Buc-ee stuff. I better go before I buy something.
What'd you get? Gracie wants to know.
Gracie can't have Buc-ee's. Jerky for driving day and pork rinds because it's not carbs. I don't think it's anti-inflammatory, but I got you a 3-meat triple sandwich, a sausage stick. $7.50 sausage stick.
Holy cow.
I walked all the way from here to Buc-ee's and back, and I didn't sweat till just now when I was in the car. We haven't walked outside and not sweated in the first few seconds in many months. It's nice.
Well, we did good out here because diesel was only $3.19, so that's like 50 cents cheaper than it was when we left Crystal River. And I got both tanks completely full.
Oh, nice.
Which doesn't happen very often because we've got a vent problem with the main tank. So we're set.
Well, I'm glad Jeb, the park ranger, guided us in. It's tight and hard to find these sites, but it's beautiful, man. We scored. We never even knew about this place. But anyway, we got 50 amp. We've got water. It's a pull through, and it was like $43 plus our yearly park pass for Georgia State Parks, which we got half off because Scott's old.
Tomorrow we've got to backtrack back down I-75 and look for our hubcap because it's missing.
If anyone sees a hubcap that looks like this anywhere from Crystal River up to the middle of Georgia on I-75, just let us know.
Good morning.
Hi, honey.
Oh man, I'm winded. We're up at 700 feet elevation.
Actually chilly last night. High Falls State Park is beautiful. We're definitely going to add this to our list for more than an overnight stop. We're not even going to have time to go check out the falls or trail or lake or anything, but next time. It's only been one night on the road, and we can already tell a big difference in the way we feel about full-time RVing versus part-time RVing. So we thought it was interesting, and maybe we should share it with you. We're not pro full-time or part-time. We just wanted to share the difference with you because maybe some of you have felt the same way, but it's been really strange.
Yeah, I didn't feel as stressed yesterday out on the road, and I think maybe it's because everything that we have isn't behind us. So if something bad happens out on the road, we just go home.
I concur. I was totally relaxed yesterday, and I think it is due to the fact that not everything we own is being towed behind us, including the roof over our head. While it's our temporary roof, it's not our only roof now. So while there's a certain freedom in full timing too, I don't know. I was pretty relaxed on a travel day, which is pretty rare.
One thing that's different this trip is we have so much empty cabinet space in there. We're going to have to run to Walmart today and buy pillows if we want to keep things from moving around. Check out how gorgeous this place is. You know, it actually feels like we're on vacation.
Yeah, a lot of people think when you're full timing, well, at least for us, that you're on permanent vacation, but It never felt like that. It felt like we were just doing life, but we were mobile. It feels like we're out camping and traveling, and that's really our only goal.
I think it just feels good to be out seeing new things. We've never been here before. Yeah, last night when we got here, we were feeling a little bit out of sorts because it's been over a year since we've done any traveling with the RV.
And we're having a lot of different emotions. All the feels are feeling. A little bit of sadness because this is the first time we've been RVing without our little travel companion Jasper. Plus, you got to remember, we thought we were going to sell this RV and we weren't going to be traveling in it again.
Yeah.
So our minds are all over the place. But mostly, we're feeling really excited.
Feels good. It just feels different. And I think one of the things that I didn't expect for last night was I was thinking we were just going to be grabbing a KOA or something along the highway.
I wanted our first night to feel more like camping and less like a paved pad on the side of the highway. So really glad we did it. It's gorgeous.
About 4 hours from home, so I think this is a place we'll come back to.
Yeah, there's a whole lake that is calling our name over there. All right, next stop is someplace else we've never been. We're gonna spend 5 nights in Blue Ridge, Georgia. I hear there's a Bigfoot there. Maybe we'll see some Bigfoot, other than your big feet. I mean, big feet, Bigfoot, the hairy one, the big hairy one. I guess you're kind of big and hairy. You know what I mean.
I'm not hairy enough for you. All right, we got about an hour till checkout. It's time to go batten down the hatches and stow things. And watch out for those empty cabinets with things in them.